So here we are at our 15-foot growing dome. This is the smallest size of growing dome that we offer at 150 square feet. This is perfect for backyard gardeners or small families, as this size dome will easily feed 2 to 3 people. The geodesic dome is inherently one of the strongest structures known to man. Our growing domes can be made to withstand snow loads up to 175 pounds per square foot. Now, this does require a little bit of engineering modifications, but we are happy to work with your building department and with our engineers to accomplish that for you. They're also rated for 115 mile-per-hour winds, and they are covered in our 16mm polycarbonate, which has an R value of 2.8 and allows for 65% light transmission. The polycarbonate does have a warranty of 10 years, and that is against yellowing and hail damage. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So here we are inside of the 15-foot growing dome. We do have a wide-angle lens on the camera so that you could get the big picture, but keep in mind that this dome is still 15 feet in diameter. At the center point of the dome, we are looking at 9 feet 5 inches high, so you do have the option of growing plants like tomatoes that often take up a lot of vertical space. This dome does come standard with 2 lower vents and 1 upper vent for passive ventilation, and you do have the option of adding active ventilation into the dome with the form of the hybrid solar fan or an electric fan. The electric fan is great if you do plan on running utilities out to your greenhouse. You could couple either of those fans with a misting system, which is part of our desert cooling package, and that will also help to reduce temperatures in the dome. Let's go ahead and take a look at this pond. So the pond in the 15 is approximately 700 gallons. You can add a solar water feature if you'd like. This is an older model. We now sell a spillway, which you'll see in some of the other domes. Now, the bed design in this dome is very unique. We have utilized all of the perimeter space as well as the center of the dome. And this helps to maximize the growing space, but still allows you to be able to access your plants easily. We've also made sure that these beds are low enough that you still get the thermal gain from the sun throughout the winter months. Additionally, you can also add an extra upper vent, which will help to exhaust the hot air out of the top of the dome.